Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I brought this great DIY for you guys. This super easy canvas plastic bag. This is super easy to make and will be very affordable for you guys, and you can flaunt easily everywhere by wearing this stunning bag. So in this video you are gonna watch the full and complete tutorial of this bag. It will be little bit longer, but this is an advice for you guys. Watch the video till end, and now without wasting time, let's start making. So this is the plastic canvas. Basically this is the base of our bag. You can find it on any yarn store easily. And you can see on this whole canvas I have marked some boxes, and you can see how I marked the boxes a little bit different. If you are having difficulty, so you can also take a screenshot of these boxes which I have marked and drawn on the plastic canvas. And for the bag I'm going to use yellow yarn and white yarn. How to measure the yarn? This is the process and technique of measuring the yarn for the one layer. Roll it on the plastic canvas at least for 5 times and cut it. Now I'm going to use this needle. These all accessories you can find on the yarn store from where you are going to take this plastic canvas. Start inserting the yarn one by one as I am inserting it into the holes. This process is very easy. Just follow the marked boxes and insert the yarn with the help of needle. Until I am inserting this yarn and repeating the process, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update from my channel. As you can see that the one layer is done. Now repeat the same process for the other one layer, and other one layer will be the same. Do support my channel, so I will bring great more DIYs for you guys, which will be very affordable for you guys. Now repeat the same process for the rest of the bag, but here you can see that the markings are of different type. So don't worry, this is very easy step, and now you can see that how I am making and how I am inserting yarn from these boxes. Just leave the one box for the white yarn and insert the yarn on the other 3 boxes. Or you can say the other 3 grids. Don't worry, this step is very simple and very easy if you are making it by looking at the video very carefully. Now repeat the same process, leave one grid and insert the yarn and take out the yarn from the other one grid. Now from this area to the end you have to follow the same procedure as you did before. And now you can see how smooth base is looking. And basically you have to just escape one grid from the center for the white yarn. And now we are gonna make the sides. For sides it is very easy. On the sides you are having 7 grids, and I have taken 3 grids from the both sides, left to right and right to left. This step is also very easy and very interesting. I was having very fun while making this bag. Now repeat the same process for the other edge also. This is the left edge, and now for the right edge repeat the same process. This is called D hook because it is having the shape of D. How I am inserting this D and what is the purpose of this D? This D will be used for the chain. How you will insert the chain of the bag? You will insert the chain of bag in this D. So you have seen that how properly I have inserted this with the help of yarn. This step is also very easy, that how to attach the D. And now you will be thinking that from where you have to find this D. This D, this plastic canvas, this yarn, these needles and the chain of bag, even everything you will be easily find from the yarn store. Any yarn store nearby your house. Now for the detailing and complete finishing I'm going to use the white yarn. This is basically called the towel wool, and it is used to make towels, but obviously we are making any other process. The yellow one is called the simple yarn, which is, you can also say bag yarn, but this white yarn is called towel wool, and it is used to make the making of towel purpose, but obviously we are using this towel wool in our bag, and it will give a feather look on the edges, which will look very beautiful, very beautiful. Until I am completing the edges, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update from my channel. As you can see that the complete base of the bag is ready and it is looking very stunning. This is the inner side, and now we are going to attach the edges. How we are going to attach the edges? This is also very simple step, but be careful while doing this step. If you will leave any one grit, so the whole finishing of the bag will be ruined. This bag is one of my favorite bag. Before this I have also made different type of bags, which you can see that I have put it on the background. The cotton candy bag and the blue and white combination bag. These bags are also very easy to make, and if you want the tutorial of these bags, so don't forget to comment below and like the video and subscribe the channel. Now as same as I did on the other side, I am using the same process and repeating the same process to complete the both areas. Now you can see how beautiful finishing it gave. Now for this area also repeat the same process, and I am using this magnet. This magnet is little bit different like the other magnets. We have to stitch this magnet on the bag with the help of thin needle. And this step was also very easy. I have stitched these magnets. These are very good quality magnets. Now how you will hang this bag? You will hang this bag with the help of chain. This was the purpose for attaching these D hooks. And now for the upper area, I'm going to use this motif. This motif, D, magnet, chain, everything you can easily find on the yarn store nearby your house. And this is the final look of the bag. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like the video and do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update from my channel. Allah Hafiz.